In this video, I'm revealing 5 ways that you can instantly make your films look cinematic. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced filmmaker, these tips today can help you create better compositions and give you some inspiration going into your next wedding so that you can make your films truly stand out. One powerful technique to creating depth, texture, and visual interest in your frame is by using reflections. This approach draws your viewer's eye into the scene, making your composition feel a lot more immersive and cinematic. And using reflections help you create layers and a complexity to your frame that can offer a unique perspective without you really having to change up your position. Another great way to add depth and nuance to your composition is through the use of defocused foreground. This technique can be created by placing objects in your frame that are close to the lens but out of focus, while the subject that you want to draw more attention to is in focus. This is also often known as bokeh foreground, and it can help you create that soft, blurry texture to your composition that truly complements your subject and creates that visual interest. And again, it's just another way of creating that depth and adding to the emotion and intimacy of the moment that you're capturing. And defocused foreground is a great way to make your shot feel a lot more personal and inviting. And one of my favorite cinematic techniques that I feel holds so much power and so much emotion to it is the backlit silhouette shot. The contrast and play of light evoke a sense of mystery, beauty, and timeless romance. And a few ways you can capture this technique is with a setting sun, soft window light, or even car headlights. Because when the couple is positioned with a strong light source behind them, their figures become shadowed, which can help you create that silhouette effect. And some of my favorite shots that I've ever captured were silhouette-based shots because it just creates so much emotion and intimacy and really helps elevate my film because it just creates this nuance and cinematic look and feel. Another way to really get your films to stand out truly lies in the experience that you're giving your couple. And not just the experience on the day, but the experience after the fact. And that's why I love to use VidFlow. VidFlow has been a high quality solution that I've used over the last few years to truly give my clients an unrivaled viewing experience that they truly deserve. With customized branding, I can keep my films and my delivery in line with my brand colors, my brand aesthetic that keeps everything feeling very consistent. And with multiple ways to stream and watch and download their film, it gives my couples the flexibility and peace of mind knowing that they always have an easy solution and a way to watch and cherish their wedding film. So if you're looking for a quality solution, a way to truly wow your couples from start to finish, then you should check out VidFlow. And right now you guys can use my code WAYWARD to get 20% off on an annual subscription. So check out VidFlow, see if it could be the right fit for you and your business, and start creating an unrivaled viewing experience that your couples deserve. One of the more practical ways to achieve the cinematic look in your wedding films is by using a prime lens. Having a lens that offers a 1.2, 1.4, or even a 1.8 aperture is gonna allow you to create this separation within your frame, give you that softer feel, create that shallow depth of field that really helps elevate the image quality. Take a lens set at 5.6, for example. The background is more in focus and the frame feels a lot less intimate and more detailed, which of course has its benefits and purpose, but if you're trying to create that cinematic look and feel, having an aperture set at 1.2 or 1.4 is gonna help a lot more, primarily due to the depth of field and the background separation. Those two things just really make your frame feel a lot more intimate and cinematic. To make your wedding films truly stand out, there's really no one single method to this approach. It's really a combination of all of these things, especially if you're trying to truly capture a unique feeling. But one of the last ways that I feel can really help you elevate your image and create the cinematic look is by utilizing shadows and contrast. By strategically using shadows, you can introduce texture and drama within your frame to truly help you create that cinematic feeling. Because high contrast lighting creates a sense of mystery and depth, making the scene feel more dramatic, which can help accent the feelings of nervousness, anxiousness, and excitement that the couple may be feeling, which overall can help you elevate the impact of the moment that you're capturing. So overall, using these techniques in your wedding films can truly help elevate the emotional quality because you are making them a lot more visually appealing and layered. Whether that is filming through an object, capturing reflections, incorporating defocused foreground, using a prime lens, or incorporating shadows and contrast into your compositions. All of this is part of telling a story, and telling a really strong one, because it's creating this emotional depth and really draws your audience into the story. And the beauty of wedding filmmaking and standing out with your work really lies within the subtleties and the artistic choices that take something that would traditionally be ordinary and making it extraordinary. But that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful, valuable, and insightful in some way. If it was, it would mean so much if you consider liking and subscribing, and drop a comment and let me know what are some cinematic tips of your own that have really helped you elevate your films. Either way, I'd love to hear from you guys. So until next time, keep creating and telling beautiful stories. Peace.